What's up guys, got another titanium alcohol stove. This one is quite bigger. So I will be using this denatured alcohol fill and let's see what it's going to look like. I love alcohol stoves. Who doesn't? It's such a unique invention. So let's take everything out. You have super lightweight aluminum container right here. This is the brand, what's going to look like, cool. And first of all, wow, look at these holes. You have here bigger holes and a smaller holes on this lip. And also what's so cool about it, you can open up the notches and carry it around. So let's build this little stand for the pot. And wow, easy. What is this for? I have no idea. Maybe I should look at the instruction. I guess you can put it like that. I guess you can have a smaller stand over here. Let's tie it out. Cool. Maybe like that. I kind of like this one a little bit better. I don't know what this is for. It doesn't even have it on a picture. So I'm gonna be using it as like picture and start it. Fill it up. As you can see, it can hold quite a bit. Boom. And you know what else I like? The other alcohol stoves, I couldn't blow them out. This one comes with the cover, so you cut the oxygen and it will shut off. But you will have to take this one off with some kind of gloves or something that is not your hand, so that way you not burn yourself. Okay, let's go try to boil water with this thing. First of all, let's see how it burns. Sometimes you can help it out by heating up the stove. Get that vibration going. There you go. If you have a blowtorch, it can help out. You don't have to waste your gas. You see, it's like time to kick out. But it will also heat up itself as well. We can just wait. Okay, time to start burning out of the holes. I would be very careful carrying this around. I know why it's shooting off like that. That's very interesting. Maybe it's not hot enough yet. Okay, once it warms up, this is what it's going to look like. Takes a bit longer to warm up because it's a little bit bigger than the ones I put to the test before. So you just drop this thing in and then we set pot of water. Wow, they actually come down even better. I like it. It has those small burning holes and big burning holes. Looks pretty beautiful, just like a gas stove. Okay, sitting a pretty big pot of water, I would say a mug size. What I want to see, is it capable to boil the water with only half full of alcohol inside of that alcohol stove? Okay, we'll come back in a minute. Took about 5 minutes to boil and burn it pretty good, not wasting too much gas. Let's try to blow it out. You see, no way I can blow it out. Okay, and there goes nothing. And that way we can turn it off. Look how much alcohol left in there. So, burns very efficiently, I can't believe it. So you can cover it up for the next time use, but it does not screw on, so it will spill out if you try to take it somewhere else. So another pretty awesome, unique alcohol stove. Let me know in the comments below what do you think, and see you next time.